Okay, so our next concept is on the assessment of fetal and maternal health. Start with your terms which are related to pregnancy status. Okay, you have different terms which are related to pregnancy status. When you would be in the area na, let's say, adto na ba mag-OB ward or gynae ward or even in the DR, one of the basic tasks aside from taking the vital signs that you would be doing, no? Kamo mismo may mubuhat. Aside from those vital signs taking is taking the obstetric history of the patient. Okay? Mo ni atong gitawag class of obstetric history or more known as your GT-PAM. Okay? GT-PAM. So we call it GT-PAM. Okay, so GT-PAM is otherwise referred to as your obstetric history. Let's take these words one by one. Gravida. When you say gravida, this refers to the number of pregnancy. Sa Bisaya pa, kapila ka na mabdos. Okay. Let's take this case. Si Maria, namabdos siya, si Maria mabdos siya karon. Nanganak siya og 38 weeks. So mabdos siya karon, nanganak siya 38 weeks, nakuhaan siya pag 12 weeks, naa siya twins nga gipanganak niya pag 40 weeks. Okay? Kani siya twins. Ma'am, akunsa ka? Ay, hapit ko manganak. Mabdos karon, ma'am. Sige, kapila namang nini mo nga pag mabdos, mingon na siya ikaupat. So, kanang gravida class, mao na siyang ikapila nila nga pag mabdos. So, even if one of the previous pregnancy is a multiple pregnancy, you will still consider that as one gravida. Okay? So, kani, mabdos siya karon, nanganak siya 38 weeks, nakuhaan siya 12 weeks, mabdos siya og twins at 40 weeks. So kana siya class, ang iyahang gravida is 4. Pregnant, 38, 12, 40. This refers to the number of pregnancies. Gravida. Okay. The next one is parity. If gravida class refers to the number of pregnancies, parity refers to the number of deliveries. Okay, kapila siyang nanganak. Kani class, mabdos siya, nanganak siya 38 weeks, nakuhaan siya 12 weeks, nanganak siya pag 40 weeks of twins. So ang pangutana, kapila man siya nanganak. Okay? But for parity class, moingon kag kapila siya nanganak, but you have to make sure that it must have been 20 weeks or more. Okay? You will only count the number of deliveries nga ang age of gestation sa bata must at least be 20 weeks AOG or more. So kani, mabdos siya, usa ka parity. Usa ka gravida. But do you consider this as parity? Will you count this as parity? Ang meaning sa parity refers to the number of deliveries. Mabdos ang pasyente. Gravida, yes or no? Yes, gravida. Parity, yes or no? No. Nga naman, wa pa man gipanganak class, mabdos pa man. So you don't count this as parity. So katong ganina mo ingon ta gravida 4. Okay? G4. Ang iyahang parity class, kapila man siya nanganak. Nanganak siya 38 weeks. So usa. Okay? Nanganak siya 40 weeks. Usa gyapon. So bisan pag twins, triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets, sextuplets, octuplets, sa kapila pa na siya class, kung usara na siya ka pregnancy, usara pud na siya ka gravida, usara pud na siya ka parity. So in this case class, pangutanon ta mo, pila may gravida? So you would say gravida 4. That's correct. Pila may parity niya class? Ang yang parity is 38 kani, usa, og 40. Duha. So usa, duha. Parity niya class is 2. Sir, nganong wala man apila ang 12 weeks? Because class, our rule is we only count the number of gipanganak deliveries which has exceeded 20 weeks or more. Okay. So gravida 4 para 2. Ang parity class, duha na siya ka klase. Na ay parity nga term, na ay parity nga preterm. Kanus aman ta moingon nga term ang parity. Parity is considered term if the child has been born at least 37 weeks AOG. Okay? But if the child is born less than 37, okay, unsa may less than 37? Let's say 36 6/7. Mao na less than 37. Unsa may pasabot ani class? 36 weeks and 6 days of the 7 days of the week. Say sa ato pakuwangan siya usa ka adlaw, wala pa siya kaabot og 37 weeks. So 36 6/7 term or preterm? Preterm siya. Ngano man, wala pa man siya kaabot og 37 weeks. Kung moabot og 37 weeks or more, bisag 41, 42, you will count that as one term. Kung less than 37, you will count that as one preterm. So in this case, class, ang parity nato duha kuno atong parity. Now let's determine pila man ang term, pila man ang preterm sa imong duha. So atong parity diri kato ingon ta ganina 38 weeks. Is that term or preterm? So that's term. Usa. Ang 40 weeks, is that term or preterm? Term. So term nimo class duha, wala kay preterm. Okay? Next, abortion. Abortion refers to the number of pregnancies that has been lost before the age of viability. Ang pangutana, kano sa man di ay ang age of viability? The age of viability is 20 to 24 weeks AOG. Okay? 20 to 24 weeks AOG, mauna siya pasabot sa age of viability. If the child has been born 19 6/7, meaning it's less than 20 weeks AOG, abortion na siya class. Sa katong example, do we have a case of abortion? Yes, naaman tay 12. So pila atong abortion? Abortion 1. Okay? Living children refers to the number of living children or the number of child that were born alive. Okay? The number of children that were born alive. So pila may buhi niya class? Kani siyang pregnancy dili pa na nimo ihapon kay wa pa man na siya gipanganak. Ang 38 weeks buhi usa. Ang 12 weeks patay man so way ihap. Ang 40 weeks class twins man sila, pulos man buhi. So duha sa ato patulo maoy iyahang living children. So ang imuhang L is tulo, nya na pa na siya letter M sa last, meaning usa ka multiple pregnancy. G4 para to A1, L3, M1. Mao nang imuhang obstetric history. In which case, ang imong duha ka parity is comprised of duha ka term and usa ka preterm. Okay? Now, how do we express it? It must be expressed in this manner. Pangutanon gani mo or sugoon gani mo, please take the obstetric history. Dapat inigsulat ninyo class G, T, PAM. Okay? Meaning to say, kato ganina, upat ka mabdos, duha iyang term, 0 iyang preterm. Kaya ingon man ta ganina, duha iyang parity, di ba? So ana siya pagsulat class. G, T, PAM. Ang abortion na siya usa katong 12 weeks. Living children, tulo, usa ka multiple pregnancy. So this is now the obstetric history of the patient nga atong gi-entertain ganina. Again, gravida refers to the number of pregnancies. Parity refers to the number of deliveries. Term refers to the number of babies born at 37 weeks AOG or more. But if the child is born at less than 37 weeks, then consider him as preterm. Abortion. Abortion refers to the number of deliveries or terminated pregnancies which falls less than the age of viability, which is 20 to 24 weeks AOG. Pasabot anang age of viability class, meaning edad sa bata nga kung mogawas siya, maipanganak siya sa mama, possible nga mabuhi. age nga viable siya. So kung ang bata gani mapanganak at 20 weeks, inigawas pwedeng buhi. Okay? Pwedeng mabuhi. But if the child is born less than 20 weeks, meaning less than the age of viability, 19 days and 6 days over 7, kana siya, inikagawas sa bata, would you expect him to be alive? No, because he falls less than the age of viability. So if a child is born at less than the age of viability, consider that as an abortion. Live birth refers to the number of children that were born alive. Example class, gipanganak, no, si Maria nanganak og twins. Si Maria nanganak og twins, let's say at 40 weeks. Si Maria nanganak og twins at 40 weeks. Pila may gravida nimo? Gravida 1. Kay di man ka manganak og wa ka mo mabdos, di ba? So 40 weeks. Parit ang imong term, 40 weeks. Usa. Preterm, wala. Okay? Abortion, wala. Living children, mao na ron. Twins man kani, let's say ang usa patay, usa buhi, ang usa buhi unta pero pagpanganak natagak patay. Okay? Buhi unta ang duha pero ang usa natagak man pagkupot sa nurse namatay. No, nabuak ang ulo namatay. So pila man imong living children? Duha gyapon class. Ngano man? Because the child was actually born alive. Nabuhian lang namatay. Okay? So let's say akong anak usar ka buok unya pagka 7 years old sa bata na dengue namatay. So pangutan-on mo pila living children? Usa gihapon class bisag namatay na to siya. Ngano man? What we are trying to assess is the state of the baby the moment he was born. Okay? So multiple pregnancy na siya ay usa. So this is how you take your obstetric history.